Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Budget planning is very important in order to keep the functioning of a house streamlined. It might be a difficult job for the beginners. I will share my experience so that it may help you to plan your budget and save money. Let me share my experience. Being a single income family, in the first few months we are unable to save money. Later we recognize that we are spending a lot of money than necessary. The first step is to track, and the second step is monthly budget division. In the monthly budget division, it includes food and bills like credit card bills, EMIs, rent, house loans, or insurance bills. It also include electricity bills, net bills, all the utility bills. And for third one is to entertainment, mean like movies. And fourth one is transport charges or any other charges you can include in the monthly division budget according to your lifestyle. And third one is to save some change in the kiddie bank. And fourth one is you have to save for the medicine and shopping. And also you can save money by doing your own projects like DIYs. And the first step is to track. I started tracking my monthly budget from March onwards. After 2 months, I got into line and never spent more than necessary. You can see in the March it was like 40,000, and in the April 29 around 29,000 to 30,000. It means that I saved nearly 10,000 by just tracking myself. Firstly, you start by tracking your money for a month and you will definitely notice the extra amount you are spending. Start from this day and track every day. If you spend like 10 rupees today, just note down it before you sleep. You can use a book like me, or you can use your own notes or spreadsheet. The second step is monthly budget division. Divide your amount. See here, I'm dividing the money for food, transport, house rent, etc. by using a simple paper, and I'm going to tie it with a band. You can use tiny boxes, or you can use your own way to divide the amount. This helps us to spend certain amount for one thing, and it will be easy to track how much we are spending. At last, I'm going to secure all the divided amounts in a tiny bag. I'm giving you one example. If you are earning like 40,000 per month, then it's necessary to save around 5 to 10,000 per month. And you have to pay the rent or any other utility bills or any other bills or loans, anything for 20,000 rupees. And for movies, you have to spend like 1500 to 1000, not more than that. And for groceries, 2000 rupees. I'm just giving a brief example. You can sort your own way and you can divide in your own ways. And for movies, 1500 or 1000, it's not necessary, I'm just including. And for transport, you have to use like 2000. Life is not only about saving money. Enjoy your weekends, go for movies, eat outside, spend amount like 1000 to 2000. It's not necessary to go every weekend. Enjoy twice in a month, or if your income is very low, then go out once in a month. If possible, enjoy in nearby parks. Eating outside is good enough, but make sure it's not good for health and also cost more. One small tip is to eat at home, it's good for health. Save your change in a kitty bank. After 2 to 3 months, you will realize that you saved like 500 to 1000. You can use that money for gifting your friends, for yourself, or it might be useful for the next month budget. And the next step is medicine. Save like 500 rupees every month for medical issues. After a couple of months, you can pay that money for your insurance, or you can buy anything which is important for you. And the next step is shopping. Try not to get too tempted by offers in the market. Sometimes do window shopping if you do not really require any product. Plan your vacation well in advance so that you can save. And the last, start doing some DIYs at home itself so that it may save a lot of money. If the destination is near, then go by walk. It's good for health. Buy products by checking in different malls because the prices may vary. They might give you some offers. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.